Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Hubspot credentials. This gets you into your account where you can access all your marketing tools and campaign data. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your main dashboard where all the different Hubspot features are available. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This opens up all your marketing-related tools and options within HubSpot. Once that menu expands, click on Email. This section is specifically designed for managing and analyzing all your email campaigns, so it's exactly where you need to be to review performance metrics. At this point, you'll see a list of your email campaigns displayed on the screen. Take a moment to find the specific email campaign you want to analyze. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over that email entry. You'll notice that additional options appear when you hover over it. Now, click on Actions. This will bring up a small menu with different choices for what you can do with that email. From this menu, click on View Details. This action opens up all the detailed information about your selected email campaign. Once you click that, the details of your email will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the performance data you need to evaluate how well your campaign performed. Look for and click on Performance. This tab is where all the key metrics and analytics are stored, giving you a complete picture of your email's effectiveness. Now you can see a comprehensive overview of your email campaign's performance. Right at the top, you'll notice several important percentages displayed clearly. You can see the open rate, which tells you what percentage of recipients actually opened your email. Next to that is the click-through rate, showing how many people clicked links relative to those who opened the email. You'll also see the click rate, which measures clicks relative to total recipients, and finally the unsubscribers metric, showing how many people opted out after receiving this email. These four metrics give you an immediate snapshot of your campaign's overall performance. Scrolling down, you'll find the Open Performance section. This area breaks down your email opens in more detail. Here you can see recipients, which shows the total number of people who received your email. The open rate is displayed again for reference. You'll also see the subject line that was used, along with the form name and form address associated with this campaign. This information helps you understand which elements may have influenced your open rates. Next, you'll come across the Click Performance section. This is where you can dive deeper into how recipients interacted with the content inside your email. You can see the click rate and click-through rate displayed again, along with the number of links clicked. This data is crucial because it shows you not just who opened your email, but who was engaged enough to take action by clicking on your links. Moving further down, you'll see the revenue section. This is particularly valuable if you're tracking the financial impact of your email campaigns. Here you can see attributed revenue, which shows how much revenue was generated from this email. You'll also see deals with attributed revenue, showing how many sales deals can be traced back to this campaign, and contacts with attributed revenue, indicating how many individual contacts converted into paying customers. These metrics directly connect your email efforts to business results. After that, you'll find the deliverability section. This area is important for understanding any technical issues with your email delivery. You can see successful deliveries showing how many emails actually made it to inboxes. There's also not sent, which indicates emails that weren't delivered at all, and spam reports showing how many recipients marked your email as spam. You'll also see hard bounces, which are permanent delivery failures, and soft bounces, which are temporary delivery issues. Monitoring these metrics helps you maintain a healthy sender reputation. Finally, scroll down to see the readability section. This is a unique feature that shows how recipients actually engaged with your email content. You can see the percentage of people who fully read your email, those who skim through it quickly, and those who just gave it a glance before closing. Understanding these behaviors helps you optimize your email content and layout for better engagement in future campaigns. And that's it. You've now reviewed all the key performance metrics for your HubSpot email campaign. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.